Hello YouTubers, I hope you are doing well. This is the new video of Python series, and this video is gonna be special. In this video we will discuss about how to get jobs using Python language. So one of the question I got a lot from people that how long does it take to learn Python and become job ready? Well, there is no single answer. It really depends on you and how much effort and commitment you want to put into this. But I would say if you spend 2 hours a day consistently, then after 3 months you should be able to write basic Python programs. But quite honestly, that doesn't get you a job. In order to get a job, you need to specialize in one area. What do you want to use Python for? Do you want to use to build web applications or desktop application, or do you want to use in machine learning or in artificial intelligence or Internet of Things? So whatever you want to do, you need to take additional courses. For example, if you want to become a web developer, in addition to learn Python, you will also learn about HTML, CSS and some JavaScript and Django, which is popular Python framework for building web applications. Learning all this will take you another 6 months. In total, you need 9 to 12 months to become job ready. At that point, you will get a junior developer job whose salary is about $50K to $60K per year. As you work more and more Python projects, your resume start to build and you can ask for 100K or 100K per year, depending on where you are or what company you are with and geographical area. It really depends on, so there is no single answer. So are you excited to learn Python and get started to this career path? If you are really, then I will encourage you to make a commitment to spend 2 hours every day for practicing Python, and use the comment box below and let me know why you are learning Python. What do you want to do with it? What's your dream job? I will love to hear your story. This is all about. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, like and let me know in comment box. Stay tuned and goodbye.
If you enjoyed the video, do like and share. And for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Stay tuned and goodbye.